Hi, this video will show you how to find the inverse function of f of x is equal to x squared plus 1. Okay, first I'd like to note that f of x is equal to x squared plus 1 is not invertible. This is because, so one of the way we can check whether the function is invertible or not is by checking function is one-to-one or not. So let me sketch f of x is equal to x squared plus 1 on its domain, which is all reals. So this is the graph of y is equal to, f of x equal to x squared plus 1. So if you do horizontal line test, for example, with this horizontal line, this guy intersect with the curve at 2 points, so it is not invertible. Let me say it this way. It is not one-to-one, therefore it is not invertible. Hence, let me change our question as following. So find the inverse function of f of x equal to x squared on 0 to 1. Then on 0 to 1, our graph looks like this. So as you can see, this is a 1 to 1, hence there is inverse function of f of x equal to x squared. Then, so we start with the same thing as the previous example. So we replace f of x by y. So step 1, y is equal to x squared plus 1. Then, let me subtract 1 on both sides. So y minus 1 is equal to x squared. The reason is that we like to isolate x on one side. Here, say right hand side. So now we have x squared is equal to y minus 1. So next one, we take the square root both sides. So here we have x, because square root of x squared is equal to x. Then we have a square root of y minus 1. If you take the square root, probably we might have to consider both plus, minus. But if you take a look at our function, this part, so as you can see, so both x and y are positive. Again, we have a graph on the first quadrant. Both x and y are positive. Hence, if you take the square root, we only consider both positive. Okay. So plus, so if you take a look at our y, so y is greater than or equal to 1. So please keep in mind that this is the way we can define such x. For example, if you want to plug y is less than 1, inside the square root becomes negative, so that we couldn't have x is positive, even real number. So keep in mind that everything is positive. Then step 2 is that we replace x by y. So y is equal to square root of x minus 1. Then next step is we replace y by f inverse. Okay, so over here we start with the function f of x is equal to x squared plus 1, where its domain is equal to 0 to 1. So which means that, so here range of its inverse function is 0 to 1. Plus, what is the range of the original function f of x equal to x squared plus 1? Like I said, y is greater than or equal to 1. Hence, domain of inverse function is x is greater than or equal to 1. Thanks for watching.